How to delete your Roblox account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. To delete your Roblox account, you have to open up your web browser because you cannot do this on the Roblox app itself. Now you simply want to search for Roblox support, then head over to this website. Now, the first thing you want to do is enter your date of birth, and after that, tap on the next button, and you should see this interface right here. So here you need to fill up your contact information. So go ahead and enter your username, first name, email address, and confirm email address. Once you have filled up all these details, now you want to go to issue details. You simply want to select the device on which you're having issue. I'm going to select Android phone. Now for type of category, you want to select data privacy requests. Now for the subcategory, you want to select other privacy requests. After this, on the description, you simply want to type that you want to delete your Roblox account. Make sure to include all the account details over here, such as your username. Then tap on the submit button. After the verification has been completed, your details are going to be sent to Roblox support team and they're going to contact you within some time. Then you're going to receive an email from the Roblox customer service and you simply have to confirm that you want to delete your account. So here you simply want to confirm that you want to delete your account and then send this email. After this, your Roblox account is going to be deleted, and that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.